So good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
A happy day for you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Don't know the reason but still happy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how much you people are now exhausted because so many lectures you have attended now, right? So you're feeling exhausted?
No, ma'am. Not so much exhausted, but
Okay, little bit of exhausted, right? All right, okay. So that is why the happiness lecture is there, right? Which is known as the art of happiness. Now, why this session is being named as art of happiness? Why not only the happiness? When you entered the room, right? You've seen some ambience. What kind of an ambience you have observed and noticed? An art of happiness? Okay. Is that art of happiness created some kind of an happiness in around you? Some kinds of good vibes around you? Positive vibes, right? A good aroma is all there in the room, right? So this is what I meant you people to feel, right? That whenever you will be there, right, you want to spread some kind of an happiness, right? Number one is you need to create a ambience for it, right? You need to create certain vibes around you. You need to create certain environment around you. A surrounding should be of happiness. Otherwise, it will be, okay, happiness, I can create happiness, but what? The moment you entered to the room, right? It was somehow, it was there that, oh, wow, what kind of an ambience it is now, because you people are regularly coming to the MDP room, right? And certain kind of a change is there. Is that change affects you on a positive note?
yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. So if anything good you people found in the entire session, right? I want a like towards that. Right? How we people are creating likings? What to do if I like something? Double tap. So you'll be tapping it double? No, not necessarily. Now let's be creative in that word, right? When we people are on social media, right? We are liking it, so we are thumbs up, right? It means we are liking something, right? But here now in this session, right? I don't want this thumbs up to be there. I want this plus sign to be there, right? So if anything which you people like, I want that sign to be there. All right? Okay. Now why these pen and papers are there? Baba. Again, we need to write something?
Yes, ma'am.
No, absolutely not. Right? Today, yes, you need to draw something, right? So I'll give you a minute, okay, to draw the art for happiness, right? So what you need to do is you need to draw an art, whatever you like to do, right? Whatever you like to draw, you need to draw it on your paper, draft like the art of happiness on your paper, right? And just in 1 minute, or even it can be lesser than that. Your time starts now. An art of happiness. All right, your 1 minute is over. Yes, only 1 minute. Right. All right. So, Mr. Deepak was asking only 1 minute, right? Am I right, Deepak? Deepak, right? Okay. Deepak, can you show me your paper? What kind of an art it was on your paper?
It is in.
All right. See, the art of happiness for Deepak, right? And can I have your one, please? Your good name, dear?
Shobha.
Shobha. All right. Now see, the Shobha's art. What is the difference in between these two, right? All right, they took the same time, right? But the thing is this, the people, right? When you people are focusing towards your happiness and towards the art, right? It seems like that you people are involving into the deep thoughtfulness, right? That what should I draw, right? I should draw something which must be beautiful, isn't it or not? Yes, which must be beautiful. कुछ अच्छा सा बनाऊं, कुछ दिखने में सुंदर होना चाहिए, isn't it or not? We people are thinking like that only, right? That is why I took this exercise, that it is not important to understand, right? It is not important that every time I need to look more beautiful, right? Whatever I am doing, it should be perfect. Absolutely not. Sometimes an imperfect person can be a perfect afterwards, right? By doing certain actions. But the action can be even this, right? It doesn't matter that whatever you people are drawing, right, it gives you an internal happiness only, right? I am basically drawing this art when I am actually drawing something for my son. He's saying, Mama, kuch bana ke do. And I am basic with my childhood drawing, एक hut बनाया, वो zigzag वाला पहाड़ बनाया, उसके बीच में ऐसे sun बनाया, 2-4 drops rain drop बना दी, right? And एक पेड़ खड़ा कर दिया, and this is all done. Now just color it. He'll be using his creativity, right? And I am happy in that way. Isn't it or not?
Yes,
So that is most important to understand that yes, whenever we people are doing something, it gives us happiness, internal happiness, not to others, Baba. First, what I need to make myself happy, right? Then only I can spread happiness to others. If I am not happy, then I am unable to spread happiness amongst my family members, amongst my relatives, amongst my friends, amongst my society, and amongst my nation and worldwide. So what do you want to do? You want to get into the perfect zone? Right? I am not saying that you need to be imperfect, right? But yes, it's not always to be perfect, but you need to develop in that way, right, towards the perfectness. Now, how you will be developing your development sense, right, in the words in the world of perfect, right? This today we will learn in the art of happiness session. Now, what kind of certain problems we people are facing? Okay, when our mind gets stuck, at what moment our mind gets stuck? See, you all people are stuck right now. Isn't it or not? You all are stuck. Exactly. The moment I asked the question to you people that at what moment, right, your mind got stuck, it means when the problem arises, right? So when the problem arises, our mind got stuck that no, we don't have any solution towards it. Isn't it or not? Right? And then afterwards, we'll be seeking towards what? The best one. Isn't it or not? हम तो सबसे अच्छा वाला ढूंढने जाते हैं, right? जो सबसे बेस्ट हो, जो मुझे सबसे दिखने में अच्छा लगे, right? मैं अलग दिखूं, मैं अच्छी दिखूं, मैं सबसे अलग होना चाहिए, मेरे पास में सबसे ज्यादा पैसा होना चाहिए. This is what we people are thinking like that. Isn't it or not? Right? So that is why it is important to understand that whatever we people have, we need to be happy in that, right? Then only we can create more and more. Otherwise not. You'll not be able to create, you'll not be able to grow more, you'll not be able to develop more, right? If you are not happy, right, internally. So it is very important to remain happy, right? No matter in what situation you people are. No matter. It is obviously sometimes, see, this is the life, right? So high and lows are the part of your life. Isn't it or not? Everyone is going through some highs, everyone is going through some lows, right? This is the family, right? Certain kind of mishappenings are also there in our life, right? We need to go through it, right? ऐसा होता है कि नहीं mishappening हुई और मैं तो भाग जाती हूँ. भाग जाओ. ऐसा हुआ? We need to face them, right? The challenges are there, the risks are there, right? We need to face each and every challenges which are the part of our life, right? That are the low phases part of our life, and we need to face it, right? And at that moment, ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? भगवान ने ऐसी जिंदगी दी, ऐसी किस्मत मेरी ही क्यों बनाई? Such kind of questions will be there in our mind, and that creates certain kind of different mindset, right? Which actually stop you, right, towards the growth. Isn't it? So what we need to think is, we need to think that whatever the phases are there, right, it's in parts and parcel of our life, right? We need to face it. We need to accept it. Not only face it, we need to accept it, right? Once we have accepted anything which should not be the part of our life, right, then only we can create something good out of it. Otherwise not. Otherwise तो बैठे रहो साइड में, ठीक है, अफसोस मनाते रहेंगे, रोते रहेंगे, but we cannot create certain kind of development. Isn't it? So when we need to create certain developments, right, and see here, how many people you are sitting in the classroom? Around 30, right? Each and every person wants to grow. Okay, कुछ नहीं होंगे. Let's raise the hands जो नहीं चाहते कि मैं grow करूं, मैं हूं यहाँ पर, ठीक है. अरे यार, सबको grow करना है. This is very good, right? Now, if each and everyone wants to grow, right, it means they need to face so many challenges in their life. So many challenges, right? Then only the development will be there. Not only the challenges that will be known as certain failures. Mr. Ratan Tata, right? He has gone through n numbers of failures. Isn't it or not? Elon Musk, he has gone through several failures. Where the people are? They are the downwards. Then where they exist?
At the top.
At the top. So why they are at the top? Because they are fighting. What kind of people they are? Fighters. So what we need to become is fighters, not the Avengers. Right? We are not in the Marvel series. Okay? We are not the Captain America. We are not because every time when I go back to my home, right? The moment I entered my home, the Avengers start. Right? Because he is in that kind of an environment. Right? So we need to be in that kind of an environment where we need to fight with each and every thing. Not only each and everything, right? If we are facing some certain kind of unhappy moments, right? We need to fight them and then create certain kind of happiness around it. Right? So today in this session, I'll be giving you some mantras on happiness. The first and the foremost important mantra is, it is one's own responsibility to be happy. This is not my responsibility to make you people happy. This is your own responsibility which will make you people yourself happy. Right? So if you have decided that yes, I need to be happy, a precious smile should be there on my face and I want everyone to be with this smile. Right? This is not the session on which you need to make the certain notes, you need to make certain assignments, you need to make your learnings, right? Absolutely not. The only thing I want is you people need to be happy, right? So a happy means the precious, a diamond, right? It is also known as a diamond, right? When you are keeping your face smiley, right? It gives a good gesture to the people around you. राइट और ऐसे रोते हुए जाओगे तो कोई भी आपको एंटरटेन नहीं करेगा. राइट? नो वन कैन लाइक, आप आना चाहेंगे तो भी नहीं लेंगे. आप अपने घर में रहें, ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. Isn't it? So you want to become certain this kind of a personality? नहीं. तो कैसी personality बनना चाहते हैं? All right. So the mantras, there will be certain mantras, right? Let us understand. All right. Now, एक थोड़ा सा clip दिया so that you should have that kind of an happiness zone around you. Right? Now, what is there? Lack of purpose and direction. Now, this is the one of the biggest problem in our life. We don't have the purpose, we don't have the direction. right? At this stage, you people are feeling like this. You people are actually into this problem that you don't have any purpose, right? You have a purpose that yes, you people are doing your PGDM courses, right? But where you need to go, right? After 2 years, you need to be in corporate sectors, right? In which corporate sector you need to be in? What kind of a direction is there, right? What kind of a path you will choose to be there in the 4 companies, isn't it? The top companies, the top corporators of the world, the Forbes company, isn't it? So we need certain kind of direction. We need certain kind of purpose. It is very essential to create the purpose of your life, right? If you have built, if you have designed your purpose of your life, right, it will be easy to chase it. Right? And once you have designed your path towards your direction and towards your purpose, right, it will be easy to chase it, right? We have seen number of cricket matches, isn't it? जब इंडिया हार जाती है तो कैसा लगता है? पकड़ के मारे उन लोगों को, ऐसा खेला, ये शॉट तो वैसा होना चाहिए, ये शॉट वैसा होना चाहिए. We people are speaking like this, isn't it? We are thinking like that. इसकी जगह मैं होता तो अच्छा खेल जाता, right? But the people who are there on the field, right, they are actually seeking for what? Purpose. They are actually seeking for what? The directions, right? The purpose is to win, right? The purpose is to win. So not only one team is there, right? There are so many teams. When the World Cup was there, how many teams were participating in the World Cup, Cricket World Cup? 20 teams. So every team was with the same purpose. But who needs to win? Only one team. Why only one team? Because this is the rule. Isn't it? Simple सा है बाबा, ये तो rule बना हुआ है ना? No, this is not the rule. We are the people who are making our own rules. Right? So you need to make your own rules. You need to set your own rules for your own purpose, for your own life, for your own destiny, for your own direction. All right? Okay, so this is not the rule that one needs to win. Right? When 2 people are having on the same score, then it means... So I am not saying that you need to tie the match, right? I am saying that you need to win. So whenever we people are gone through this phase that yes, the lack of purpose and direction, right, will give you one mantra, one musical mantra that is all you people now already known to it, that we need to fight in certain way, right? That we need to कर हर मैदान फतेह. Isn't it? Right? So we need to be on, whenever we are on field, what we need to do is, we need to fight. And we need to fight in that way that we need to kar har maidan. Understood?